In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize credit card payments on QuickBooks. This process is straightforward and I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything flows seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's get logged into QuickBooks. Start by clicking on Sign In, and from the options that appear, choose QuickBooks Online. You'll need to type in your credentials, that's your email and password, and once you've entered those, hit Continue to access your account. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to categorize your credit card payments. Head over to the dashboard and click on the New button. This is typically located at the top of your QuickBooks homepage. Clicking on New brings up a menu where you'll find various transaction types. From the list, locate and select Pay Down Credit Card. Selecting this option will direct you to a page where you need to specify the credit card you made a payment to. You'll see a prompt asking, which credit card did you pay? Select the appropriate credit card from the drop-down menu to ensure the payment is categorized correctly. The next step is to choose your bank account. This is the account from which the payment was made. Simply pick the correct bank account from the drop-down to proceed smoothly. If there's a payee involved in this transaction, now is the time to add that. While this step might not always be necessary, it's a good practice to include a payee to keep records clear and informative. Following that, it's time to specify the payment amount. You'll see the prompt, how much did you pay? Go ahead and enter the exact amount you paid towards your credit card bill. Accuracy here is key to maintaining precise financial records. Once you've entered the payment amount, you'll need to select the date of payment. Use the calendar feature to pinpoint the exact date the transaction occurred. This ensures your records align with your bank statements. You might be prompted to answer, what did you use to make this payment? Usually you'll be selecting your bank account again from the options provided. This repetition ensures clarity in your bookkeeping. If your payment was made using a check, you'll want to click on I made a payment with a check. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter the check number. Make sure you have this handy so you can fill it in accurately. Lastly, when all fields are completed and everything looks good, click on Save and Close. This action finalizes your entries and ensures all the details are securely stored within QuickBooks. And there you have it, your credit card payment is now categorized correctly, making your financial tracking easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and remember, keeping up with these details ensures your financials are always accurate and up to date.